Her eyes and stars look like they're not shining. Her hair, all's perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, wanna compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so, some things that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look